Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. Today is the final update on the mystery seeds we sowed earlier in spring. This mystery seed challenge was set up by Roxana from Soil and Margaritas, and it includes me, Ciearra from the Thrifted Planter, Bethany from Chicago Gardener, and Nichollette from Broadway Gardener. So let's check out what my seeds look like right now. Now, just to tell you, I have had a really bad season for this type of plant, and I think I spoke earlier in another video just saying that it's a tomato. I could tell from the seeds already that they were tomato seeds, which is so nice because tomatoes are pretty easy to germinate and grow and tend to, for the most part. So this year it's just been a bad year for tomatoes for me. I think it's because my season, they sat in their pots too long. The weather was not quite right for a while. I don't know if you guys remember how we were just still having winter temps in like May. So, and a lot of times I bring my seeds out in May. So it's just been, and June wasn't that great either. June got really cold too. There was a week where we went on vacation and it was cold. So anyway, here it is. It's right here. So it is a cherry tomato plant. I actually planted I got 5 out of 6 seeds that grew, and 3 are planted around the garden. 2 of them are in containers, and then the other ones are in my raised garden beds. And at this point, I don't know which. I can't distinguish between them and the other cherry tomato plants that I planted this year. But this one and another one I know for sure are my mystery seed tomatoes. So here's the container. I actually underplanted my tomato with oregano and lemon balm, and I think it looks really pretty. So we've got tomatoes here. We've got flowers up here that are gonna produce tomatoes, but we've got one ripe orange tomato here, and I'm not sure. I was kind of thinking maybe it would turn red, but I'm guessing it is still just it is an orange tomato. So tomatoes can sometimes be very hard to identify. It would have to be a flavor test, you know, to identify this, which I will try it here in a second. But I'm not like, I wouldn't even know what it was, even if I tried it, to be honest. But I do hope it's sweet. It looks very familiar to me, like my favorite cherry tomato is the honeycomb hybrid. And I hope it's something similar to that, because that's a really sweet cherry and it's so good. It's my favorite. So the plant itself looks pretty good. It's not super tall, although it's probably likely an indeterminate tomato, which means it can grow infinitely long. As long as you have the season and you take care of it, it can grow really big and tall. But it's gorgeous. Okay, so let's try this tomato and see if we can guess what it might be. Okay, so here's our one ripe tomato. Let's pop this guy off. It's so cute. Super cute. I'm in the shadows. Alright, so let's try it and see what we think. It's really good. Sweet. That's a good tomato. No clue what it is. I don't think it's the honeycomb hybrid, but definitely a tasty orange tomato, cherry tomato. Thank you so much, Roxana, for getting this challenge together. I cannot wait to see what the other ladies are growing. I cannot wait to see what the lady that I sent seeds to, I can't wait to see what those look like. I'm so excited because the first round of seeds that I sent didn't go so well. sent a more difficult seed to germinate, and yeah, bad idea. Anyway, I can't wait to see what how her seeds did this season. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this follow along, and I'll see you guys in the next one.